In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your banking transactions by categorizing your expenses and automating this process. Understanding how to effectively categorize your financial transactions can significantly simplify your budgeting and help you maintain a better overview of your financial health. So let's dive in. First, let's head over to your banking platform and begin by selecting the transaction you want to categorize. This can be any transaction, whether it's a recent purchase at a grocery store or a monthly subscription fee. By selecting a transaction, you open up the possibility to analyze and assign it to the relevant category, which could be anything from food and dining to utilities or entertainment, depending on what makes the most sense for your budgeting needs. Taking this step seriously will paint a clearer picture of where your money is going and how it aligns with your financial plans. Once you've selected your transaction, the next step is to categorize it accordingly. Generally, your banking app or platform will have a list of standard categories that you can choose from. However, many platforms also allow you to create custom categories tailored specifically to your lifestyle and financial habits. This flexibility ensures that your transaction history truly reflects your priorities and spending patterns. The beauty of categorizing transactions is that it provides you with a visual representation of your spending behaviors, which can be incredibly useful for identifying areas where you might want to cut back or areas where you're comfortably on track. Now, if you regularly find yourself categorizing the same kind of transactions repeatedly, there's a way to save time and effort. This is where the magic of automation comes into play. From your transaction list, look for the option to Create Rule. This powerful tool allows you to set up guidelines or conditions under which certain transactions will be automatically categorized in the future. For example, you can set a rule to automatically categorize any transaction from a specific vendor, such as your favorite coffee shop, under dining out every time it appears. This feature not only enhances accuracy in tracking, but also significantly reduces manual input. So you no longer have to worry about remembering to categorize every single transaction. Automation rules can be customized to fit your specific needs, making them versatile tools in managing finances. Take a moment to explore the various options your platform offers in terms of creating and adjusting these rules. Thoughtfully setting up these rules will pay off by giving you a more efficient and organized financial system going forward. By the end of this process, you'll have a highly organized transaction record that auto-updates with minimal effort on your part. Whether you're budgeting for personal reasons or for a business, this level of organization is invaluable. By categorizing and automating transactions, you're setting yourself up for success with a clear and concise picture of your financial standing without the tediousness of manual input. I hope this guide helps you take control of your financial journey with more ease and precision.